In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your business hours on Fresha, ensuring that your clients always have the most accurate and up-to-date information. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in keeping your hours current to reflect any changes swiftly. First, let's begin by navigating to your Fresha dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage all aspects of your business, so it's important to get comfortable here. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several icons. What you're looking for is the gear icon, which represents settings. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options related to your business's operations. Now that you're in the Settings menu, search for an option labeled Business Setup. This section is crucial as it allows you to configure everything related to the business aspect of your account. Go ahead and click on it to delve a little deeper into the settings specific to your business operations. In the Business Setup area, you'll see an option titled Locations on the left-hand side. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll find a list of all the locations you have previously set up with Fresha. It's a handy feature if you're running multiple branches, allowing you to manage each one individually. In this list of locations, you'll notice an Action button next to each entry. This is where you can make changes or view specific details about each location. For the purpose of updating your business hours, click on this button next to the location you wish to edit, and then select View. Once you're viewing your chosen location, start scrolling until you see the section labeled Opening Hours. This section provides a clear breakdown of your current hours of operation. To make modifications, locate the Edit button on the right-hand side and click it. This gives you the ability to adjust your hours according to your needs. Whether it's extending hours for a busy season or reducing them for holidays, you have full control here. Make the necessary adjustments to your opening hours, ensuring everything is accurate, and double-check your changes before moving on. It's crucial to ensure these details are correct as they directly affect how your clients plan their visits. Once you're satisfied with your updates, look towards the top of the page. There you'll find a Save button. Click it to ensure all your changes are securely stored within the system. And there you have it. Your operating hours are now updated, ensuring your clients always know when you're available. Keep this guide handy for any future updates or changes you might need to make. Thanks for watching, and until next time,